Hi, I'm Steve from Chemline, and as part of Chemline's commitment to excellent customer service, I'm going to show you how to clean your Probler P2 spray gun. You want to start out with 2 buckets for A and B parts with MEK solvent in them. You'll also need the appropriate size drill bits for your mix chamber and insert, which will come with your mix chamber. You also need the appropriate size drill bits for your mix chamber, soft plastic brush, and you also want to have white lithium grease on hand for when the parts are clean and you're ready to reassemble the gun. A few rules of thumb: you want to be careful not to soak the parts for long periods of time in the solvent. It can start breaking down the O-rings and they'll need to be replaced more often. If you're cleaning right after spraying, you can use these similar cleaning methods using MEK or acetone. Once you've disassembled your gun, put all of your A parts into the A bucket and all the B parts into the B bucket. We're separating the A and B so we do not get cross-contamination. If we cross A into B or B into A, the parts will actually come out dirtier than when they went in. You should always wear gloves when you're working with solvent and dispose of them as needed. Quickly clean each part, starting with anything that has an O-ring. We want to use the appropriate size drill bit and the appropriate size brush for all ORFI and all metal parts. After we're complete, we want to set each part out to dry. We recommend doing all of this on a clean cloth so that tiny parts don't roll away or get dirty. This is the filter housing. This is the B-side filter. Look through it to make sure that it's clean. Parts should be cleaned every 2 days to make sure that your gun is in satisfactory condition every time that you spray. This is the side seal housing. This is your tip insert. When you use a drill bit that's supplied with the tip and insert, make sure it fits the ORFI perfectly. And move on to A-side parts and the tip and the mix chamber. You'll use your factory supplied drill bits for the side ORFI. And if you can see right through it, you'll know that it's clean. Once we get this all dried off and cleaned up, we're ready for reassembly. We like to use compressed air and clean solvent so we remove any dust and debris. When you reassemble, you'll need a thin coat of white lithium grease, specifically Graco Fusion grease. It's guaranteed to be moisture-free. Thanks for watching this video from Chemline. Click here to watch the next video in our series, the reassembly of your Probler P2 gun. Or head to chemline.net to learn more about our services. You can also subscribe to get more videos in our series by hitting the bell icon on YouTube.